Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can recover unsaved SketchUp files. So first things first, we have to make sure that our files is unchecked and some of the features including autosave is actually enabled. So in here I'm going to head over to a random project. It doesn't really matter, but once inside you want to navigate through window. In here we have preferences, and this pop-up menu will show up, in which you just have to navigate through general, and then we have create backup and auto save. Now this is really important because it auto saves even if we doesn't save the file manually, but if it's not checked we can also go ahead and also check if it's still backed up. So for future preference, or basically for future proofing, you just want to make sure that these two settings right here is enabled. And in my case, I'm going to save my file every 2 minutes just to be safe. Now, navigate through files, and in here you want to look for your specific category that you are missing. So for example, if you're looking for some of the model files right here, you can just click on the folder icon and it will actually open up, on which you can then look for the specific file that you are currently looking. In here, we can also navigate through materials, and this is all of the materials that I have on my SketchUp right here. And so that's how you can go ahead and track or recover unsaved SketchUp files. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.